This video will go through how to add labels to a surface. Select the Annotate tab, go to the Labels and Tables panel, select Add Labels, and we're going to add a label to the surface. Under Surface, you can see the different types of labels you can add, and I want to add in a slope label first, so I'm left clicking to add in a slope label. You will see on your command bar that there's two types of slope labels. There's a 1 point and there's a 2 point. I'm going to add in a 1 point slope label by selecting 1 point in the command bar. I'll select it again and select it here, and it finally registers it. And then I'm going to place this slope label right in the middle of the circle and left click to place it. And you can see that the slope comes in there, and you can change the slope by selecting the slope label. And we just want to change how it's displayed. So right now it's rise over run. I might change that to percent slope. So it's 1.543%. Or you could change it back to rise over run, which is a -1 in 64. Now I could also add in a 2 point slope. Again, go to your Annotate tab, go to Add Label, go to Surface, go to Slopes, and this time select 2 points. And then I'm going to tell the software I want the slope from this point to this point. And again, it gives me as a rise over run, so 1 in 26. And we can change that by going back over to our property menu and changing that to percent. And you can see that's a -3.743%. The next thing I'm going to add into this file is adding in an elevation label. Select the surface, and we can add in the label by just going to Add Labels, or we can go back up to our Annotate file, go to Add Labels, go to Surface, and this time it's going to be Spot Elevation. And again, I'm just going to hover over the circle so it shows me the center of the circle, and left click to place in that elevation label or spot elevation label. And that's how you bring in a spot elevation and slope label.